be telling you about a project which requires zero investment and from which you can get free money by just doing social media tasks and by attending or solving some quizzes. So let's get started. So this is a hybrid project in which we have to complete daily quests, which is majorly social media tasks which require a Telegram ID, a Discord ID and a Twitter ID, जो कि आपके पास पहले से ही होंगे. So उससे हमें एयर ड्रॉप पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे which will get converted into tokens in future. So yeah, let's get started. First you have to click the link which I will be providing you, and then you can see on the right hand side at the top connect wallet option. When you click on connect wallet option, you will get options like this. You have to select MetaMask because it saves and it's efficient. So MetaMask pop-up will come right off. On your right hand side you will select burner wallet, next and connect. Switch network. After switching network, it will again ask for a sign request. So yeah, let's wait for it. Bear with me guys, it's going very slow. So you guys can fast forward the video so that you don't waste your time on just next connect wallet, sign the message, continue. So I will sign the message and it will grant my wallet to connect to this website. So yeah, now my wallet is connected. You can see on the right hand side, you can see your MetaMask address. Now we have to move forward. So there are 31 quests. This campaign was started back in April and it's now May, 26th May. So it's coming to an end soon, and for this project our target is to reach under 20k, which is quite possible because there are many people, but we can easily get under like 10k if you do all of the quests. So yeah, let's get started. I will show you how to do quests, only 1 and 2, and then you can literally do any of them because it's that simple and that's easy. So let me just show you how to do. So yeah, onboarding, warming up. So this is the first quest. नीचे से start करना because that's what she said. So yeah, check eligibility, open link. Simply it will open and link, कुछ नहीं करना. You have to go back. This task is done. Next task, verify Twitter. First you have to connect your Twitter. I will just simply click on connect Twitter and it should redirect me to the page, but it's not doing it. So I think there's something wrong. Again guys, you can fast forward this video from here because right now it's kind of buggy and it's not redirecting me to the connect Twitter page, but don't worry, for you दिस विल बी pretty easy because तुम्हें वो सीधा रिडायरेक्ट कर देगा. ये मुझे रिडायरेक्ट कर नहीं रहा तो मैं पैनिक करूँगा, मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है ना. नो, आई विल कीप ट्राइंग until I get my result, desired result. So yeah, I get my desired result, you can see. So keep trying, don't panic, don't do like कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा and I will just give up. Nah bro, that's not how things work. So yeah, connect wallet, MetaMask. First task is done, I think. Next, connect. Okay, first two tasks are done. I have already connected my Twitter, so I just have to verify on this one task. You just have to go back and you can see that it's already completed, so you don't have to perform the task. If you know. So yeah, join Telegram, you just have to click, you will come back, you will see it's already done. It's pretty simple, it's just a click and go kind of situation of or kind of project. You don't have to invest that much time, it's pretty simple. There are quizzes and I will provide the quizzes answers to you guys, so you don't have to search for every question. So yeah, at last you have to check eligibility, you have to complete all tier tasks, because in every task there are 4 tiers or maybe 3 or maybe 2, you will see it. So in this there was 6 tier, so I have completed all the tasks and I will check and I clicked on the check eligibility option, and now you can see this is the total XP I gained. I will claim this XP, which will take 1 to 2 minutes, and boom, I have claimed my XP. And now I will just simply go back and see. No, I can simply go back, because if I go back it will show me the previous page, which was Twitter permission page. So go to this top hybrid icon, it will refresh and I think it should get connected to my wallet. If that's not the case, you can simply click again and connect it again. कितना ही टाइम जाएगा. So yeah, now it's pretty much connected, and you will again go to the bottom, because you have to start it from bottom. Because I started from the bottom. लिरिक्स याद नहीं आ रही यार मुझे, जस्ट हिट करे होता है एक गाना मुझे. स्टार्टेड फॉर द बॉटम, देखो आए कहाँ हम, something like that. So yeah, this onboarding warming up task is pretty much done. You have to move on to the next level. Simply claim, check for the tasks. You can simply close these windows tab, sorry. You have to check eligibility. Tier 1 tasks are this. Tier 2 tasks are this. Tier 3 task is this. You have to complete. This is completed. Tuck. Manually you have to do one by one. Check eligibility, claim XP. Pop. Done. So yeah, that's it. Let's summarize. Hybrid project, you have to complete daily task to get hybrid airdrop points, and you have to complete these all daily quests till end game, May 26th. And in some of the tasks, like on May 1st task or maybe May 5th, the task will be like, let me show you. So yeah, in this the task will be to refer. So you can't refer 5 people. If you can, that's good. If you can't, move on to the next quest. Okay, don't get stuck into this and like कि भाई मैं क्या करूँ panic. You don't have to panic. You just have to see this. Can you do this? Yes or no? Yes, do it. Check eligibility, claim. No, move on to the next daily quest. Simple. And now just you have to, and our target is to at least come under 10k, which is pretty much easy. You have to do, you don't have to do it daily, like it's coming to an end. So yeah, do it today and get done with it. Okay, I hope you understand. I hope this was easy for you. I hope you don't have any doubt. I hope you are having a good day. I hope you get it done today. So yeah, bye, and we will meet in the next video with another project. Till then, keep hustling.